Hello and welcome to another tutorial on the EA Global AI platform. Today we're going to be looking at folders within the platform, how they work, and what you can use them for in terms of organizing your documents. So as you can see, logged into the platform, I'm currently on the dashboard in the Project One workspace, and I'm going to go to the Documents tab. At the top now you'll see different preloaded folders that you can use, such as websites, links, policy documents, and annual reports. You're also able to use the button in the top right hand corner to add a folder. So I'll just add one called test folder. When we create this, it will take a couple of seconds, but it will pop in here. What we can do now is we can select an annual report, and let's say we just move that to our annual reports folder. Again, after a couple of seconds, that will move. We can look into each folder by double clicking on the folder, and we'll see it here. And we can use the location tab at the top here to navigate between them. So I can create subfolders as well. So annual report subfolder. Here we can contain all of the things that are useful for understanding what's in the annual report 2022, for example, and everything like that. So again, we can move that from the annual reports folder to the annual reports subfolder, and we'll be able to see that this comes up in the location tab here. If we want to go back to all documents, we can by clicking the all documents link. And if we wanted to delete a folder, for example, so if I want to delete the test folder, I can select the tick box here and delete selected folders. What you'll note is that if you delete a folder, it will also delete the documents contained within it. So I would highly recommend, if we want to delete this annual reports folder, what we can do is we can go into the annual report folder, annual report subfolder, and then we can use the three buttons, the three dots here, click this, move to folder, and we can just select to move here. So what that's done is it's now removed it from the annual report subfolder, it's removed it from the annual report folder, and we will see it back in the document folder, and we can then just delete this annual reports folder. And we're back to the websites, links, policies, documents that we had at the start. If you've got any questions, please use the Get Help button in the bottom left hand corner. Thank you very much.